To enable or disable developer options in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap About Phone. Tap Software Information. Tap Build Number 7 times to enable. Enter the current PIN, and then tap Next. To disable, tap Developer Options. Tap Developer Options switch until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.